Welcome back to our channel, Data Recovery Advisor. Today, we're covering a common issue many professionals face, accidentally deleting an Excel file that isn't in the recycle bin. If you're just starting your career, this can be frustrating, but don't worry. We'll walk you through several methods to recover your lost file. Note, these methods apply to Windows PCs and desktops. The autosave feature helps recover unsaved Excel workbooks if Excel crashes unexpectedly. If this feature was enabled before the file was lost, you can retrieve it from the Document Recovery task pane when reopening Excel. Alternatively, you can find auto-saved files in their designated folder. If this feature isn't enabled yet, do it now to prevent future data loss. Here's how you can do it. Open Excel, click on File in the ribbon. Select Options from the menu. In the pop-up window, go to the Save tab. Check the box Save Auto Recover Information every minute. Set the interval as per your preference. Check Keep the auto-recovered version if I close without saving. Specify the folder where auto-saved files should be stored. Click OK to save the settings. If your file was previously saved, you might be able to recover it using Windows Version History feature. Here are the steps to restore a previous version. Navigate to the folder where the Excel file was saved. Right-click on the folder. Select Restore Previous Versions. Choose the version you want to recover. And that's it. If the previous methods don't work, or you lost the file from an external device, specialized data recovery software can help. Here's how you can use Stellar Data Recovery software to recover the deleted Excel files. Download and install Stellar Data Recovery software. Link in the description. If recovering from external storage, ensure it is connected to your PC. Open the software and customize your scan. Check the box for Office documents. Select Recover From on the left panel. Choose the location where the file was saved and start the scan. After scanning, all recoverable files will be listed. Select the lost file and restore it. If you're interested in using Stellar Data Recovery software, check the link below for more details. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more data recovery tips. See you in the next video.